Hello everyone! So I just wanted to explain why nawala ako sa social media. The only social media that I have is this TikTok account. I lost my Facebook, I lost my Instagram and my Thread because I was temporarily suspended by Facebook. Now how it all started. Sunday, it was April 20. I unfriended a lot of in my friends list all at once. So yun lang. And then Monday, I received parang a prompt na I was disabled or temporarily suspended, and there was an appeal. Yes, I made an appeal. Nag-email na rin ako ng mga IDs ko to prove that it was me, hindi ibang tao or hindi na-hack yung account ko. Yes, I did all those things, pero hindi pa rin siya nabalik sa akin. And it said there that it should just take like overnight 24 hours to the most is 72 hours, and it's like almost 3 weeks wala pa rin. So that's what happened to me. And so sad kasi hindi verified yung account ko. I had that account since 2008 yata. And never had a reply from Meta. They don't have hotline to call. Wala talaga. So, maraming nag-offer ng help pero ang dami namang mga scammers dyan. So, never ako nag-attempt. I made an email to appeals.com and Facebook help, lahat nun. Nag-research na ako sa YouTube kung paano ma-recover yung aking account, pero wala talaga. So I cannot make a move to make a new one because I have to wait that my Facebook account will be disabled permanently before I make a new one. So for now, wala. Naghihintay lang ako. It's the waiting game. Ang sayang lang talaga yung mga photos and videos ko, and I can't communicate with my family. So I hope somebody could help me recover my account. But yun nga people are asking money from it, and well, I just decided to unfriend a lot of people kasi I have so many friends that I really don't know them personally. So I just decided out of a snap to lessen the number. And from 6,000 friends, I was down to 2,000. So medyo nagulat si Meta sa akin, sa ginawa ko. Akala siguro nila Autobot yung nag-unfriend, ganun kabilis. Ay nako, I just hope and pray, Lord, sana maibalik. Kasi sayang yung mga photos and videos ko doon. But sabi ng daughter ko, I'm trying to detox from social media, so it's fine with me. Pero sana maibalik. And sana I could still make one more account na lang if wala na talaga. So comment your tips on how I can recover fast my account. So God bless everyone and take care.